Hi friends, how are you doing? I am doing awesome. I have a good news for you. I know all of you love animals, is not it? You would love to know their sounds too. But have you ever thought what is the name of that animal in another language? That would be fun, right? I have bought this super funny scale called Bangla Animal Word. You know, Bangla is a language which is being spoken in West Bengal, India. You can simply ask what is the meaning of lion. That's it. It would provide the Bengali meaning of lion, which is Singho. Yeah, that's right, Singho. It would tell you the roaring sound of the lion. That's the actual roaring sound. Roar. It would also send you the image of the lion to your Alexa app. It would be real fun, believe me. What else? You know, you can test your skill by simply starting a quiz. Yeah. So, it will ask you 5 questions and it will tell you the right answer too. It will track your score also. So, friends, start learning the Bengali words of your favorite animal and listen to their sounds. Oh, yes, meet my friend Barun who created this app for you. Hi, guys. Okay, let's have a quick demo. Alexa, ask Bangla animal word what is the meaning of cat?
The meaning of cat is,
বিড়াল
and it sounds like. I have added cat to your Alexa app. Which other animal would you like to know?
Lion.
The meaning of lion is,
সিংহ
and it sounds like. I have added lion to your Alexa app. Which other animal would you like to know?
Donkey.
The meaning of donkey is,
গাধা
and it sounds like. I have added donkey to your Alexa app. Which other animal would you like to know?
Stop.
Thank you for using the Bangla Animal Word Translator skill. Please come back again soon.
So, happy learning. Bye bye.